Swagbucks didn't reset how it works in 2026. But recent platform updates changed how offers are shown, how often users get high-paying tasks, and how strictly accounts are filtered for eligibility. By the end of this, you'll understand what actually changed in Swagbucks, what stayed the same, and how those updates affect your ability to earn in the app right now. First change is how offers are delivered. Swagbucks now leans more heavily on personalized offer feeds instead of showing the same tasks to everyone. That means two users in different regions, or even with different activity history, can open the app and see completely different earning options. This matters because it directly affects earnings potential. If your profile doesn't match certain advertiser requirements, you'll see fewer high-paying surveys or partner offers. Instead, you'll mostly see low-effort tasks like small surveys or limited cashback deals. Second change is stricter verification on tasks. More offers now require full completion steps before credit is granted, especially partner signups and trial-based promotions. If any step is skipped or the tracking fails, the reward is more likely to be denied or delayed compared to older versions of the platform. This is one of the biggest reasons users think Swagbucks stopped paying like before. In reality, it's not that payouts disappeared, but that tracking and verification rules became tighter. Third change is reward visibility. Some high-value offers are now time-limited or hidden until your account shows consistent activity. That means new or inactive users may not see the same opportunities that long-term users get. This creates a gap between expectations and reality. People assume the app is random, but it's actually structured around advertiser targeting and account behavior. The result of all these updates is simple. Swagbucks feels less like a uniform list of tasks and more like a personalized marketplace, where your activity history influences what you're allowed to earn. To adapt to this system, the key is consistency. Completing profile details, finishing offers fully, and logging in regularly helps the system categorize your account more accurately, which can improve the quality of tasks you see over time. To sum it up, Swagbucks updates didn't remove earning opportunities. They changed how offers are distributed, tightened verification rules, and made rewards more dependent on account behavior and activity history. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of reward apps without the confusion.